You know something about cocaine? So what's the big mystery with the Bolivian situation? You know what
Switching lanes, I brought the whip up at the trap house.
Alright, so I'm gonna just take out the stocks and put some coils in just to get it rolling shelf for now.
And when I meet up with the plug, I take the back route. I got connections overseas, sending packs out and renegotiate the price and make it drop down. Boy, I was struggling in the trap, I had nowhere to go. Fucked around and got that 9 to 5 at AutoZone. But on the side, I'm serving wide and bagging up the snow. I had to post up in the cut and watch my paper grow. I had the hood like Al Pacino when I moved the bass. This the sound of that 93 Scarface. V-Tech and White Integra running from the Jakes. I learned from the OGs how to dodge a case.
So, be messing with the rear suspension today. Be putting on the subframe brakes and control arms and some coils. I had some gold ones on, but the bushings are all done. So, gonna be putting these on. Alright, so on these EKs, pretty simple. It's easier because I'm gutted also, but 2 bolts on the top of the coils. And we got these 3 bolts right here. Both sides, everything will come off. Subframe brakes, control arm, shock. So pretty simple.
Had to park with my shawty cooling in the shade. We was struggling, we was praying for them better days. Who'd have thought that I'd be trapping, moving with the K. In the kitchen while the whipping, cutting up the yay. Gotta think about the times I never had shit. Walking to the bus stop, never had a whip. Now you can hear my engine roaring when I down shit. Running up a couple bands, copping mad shit. My girlfriend trying to talk me out of moving white. She trying to say I got potential for a better life.
Alright, got all the old stuff out. Time to put the new stuff back in.
Man, I've been posted on the block damn near every night. I said a couple more deals and I'ma make it right. Alright, yeah. You fucking with the best, can't nobody do it better. Posted in the elevator, pistol in my sweater. We coming for the bitches and we coming for the cheddar. Said I cut his girl, but I swear I never met her. I was in the trenches, 2-stepping with the pack. Super Saiyan 2-way, I'm flowing on the track. Pump fake on the beat, lil' mama make it clap. Once you start this music shit, ain't no going back. Thought you was the fam, why you acting like a snake? Make me pull up on you, have to put you in your place. Mob style, put the Tommy gun to your face. Have you swimming with the fishes while I'm trying to dodge a case. Fresh up at the cut, bitch, I'm fresh up at the stool. Sliding through your block, cracking tech in the coupe. Couple stacks on me, cake mix in my boot. Shawty was a soldier, she a vet when it shoot. Got you scared of the shadows while I pull up in that tent. This ain't no extortion, I'm just trying to pay the rent. I'm just trying to double back on everything I spent. I'm just trying to register the lamb of the bent. Ayy.
Alright, just got it lowered back down. Looks pretty good all right. I'll adjust the height when I get my wheels on here, but for now it's not too bad.